and once the blinking stops and the heating pad operates normally again, you can safely continue using it. A blinking light on a heating pad is not random, it's a built-in safety warning designed to protect you from burns, electrical faults, or even fire. If the light continues blinking after basic checks, it often points to an internal issue. Problems like damaged heating coils or faulty temperature sensors can trigger the warning system. In these cases, continued use is unsafe, and replacing the heating pad is the smartest option, especially if the pad is old or shows signs of wear. Before assuming the worst, allow the heating pad to cool down completely, especially if it was running on a high setting. Overheating is one of the most common reasons for a blinking indicator. Once cooled, unplug the pad for a few minutes to reset the internal safety system, then plug it back in and test it again. Next, inspect all connections carefully. Make sure the cord is firmly connected to the controller and the pad itself. Check for loose plugs, bent pins, or damaged wires. Also, try a different wall outlet to rule out power supply issues. Always inspect the heating pad for visible damage such as frayed cords, burn marks, cracks, or melted areas. If you notice any of these signs, stop using the pad immediately. A blinking light is a serious safety alert, not just an inconvenience. Heating pads include automatic shutoff and overheat protection for a reason. Ignoring warning signals increases the risk of burns and fire. If troubleshooting doesn't stop the blinking, consult the user manual or contact customer support and if needed, replace the pad for your safety.